Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a weatherguard composite partition for GM vans. Let's get into it. All right, like I mentioned, this is a composite partition. It fits the GM van, so it's going to be the GMC Savana and the Chevrolet Express, all wheelbases. They only have the one roof height, and this is a one-piece plastic composite partition that's going to protect the cab area from the cargo area of the van. Now, as you can see, this is just massive. It ships in an even bigger box. I couldn't even fit it up here on the workbench. And so it's going to ship to you via an LTL freight carrier on a pallet, most likely. So there just is going to be a little bit more shipping costs with getting this to you. As you can see, this is kind of the shiny side of the partition. This is the side that's going to be facing, that you're going to see inside the cab. And it's kind of just a smooth finish on it. You can see it's got some little indentations here. These are going to be where you're going to be able to attach accessories like a hard hat holder, first aid kit, fire extinguisher, hooks, all your different accessories that you would mount to a partition are going to go kind of in these bubble spots. So there's 5 of them here. You can see across the middle here we have a steel bracket, piece of metal here that's going to basically add some, it's a safety measure really. This is what's going to give some strength to the partition in the event of a collision or something like that. It's going to help things from just shifting forward and getting to you. Now, a couple things I want to point out about this. I'm going to flip it around here in a little bit, but you can see this part of the partition is kind of inset a little bit more. So this is going to give you a little bit more of a gap behind the driver's seat. Now the seats in the Savana Express don't really go back that far to begin with, but if you want to recline a little bit, this is going to give you a little bit more room for that driver's seat. It's going to give you a little bit more area behind the seat, be able to recline a little bit and fit back there, where your passenger seat is going to kind of be that standard shape. So they've designed this partition so that you have a little bit more space behind the driver's seat. Now, if we look at the other side of this, flip it up. Hopefully you can see that. This side is actually kind of a textured finish. This is going to be on the cargo side of the van. It's white. It's going to match all your weatherguard shelving and other accessories and things like that. Other thing I want to point out on this partition, hopefully you can see that, we have a big window area down there. It's actually on the top that you can cut out and put in a piece of plexiglass or whatever, so you can still get visibility behind the van. We have glass in the back of our van, so we're actually going to be putting in one of those windows right there so that we can still retain the use of that rear window in the back of the van so we can see what's going on behind us when we back up, or just see what's going on in the back of the van. Now, included with this kit, you're going to get your installation instructions here. You actually get a full install guide with this partition, which sometimes weatherguard, they just give you like a one-page sheet and you have to do a QR code on it, but with this partition they give you the full guide. You also have all of our hardware here. We took it out of the bag already and put it in our own bag, but it's going to give you all the hardware that you need to install it. You also get these little rubber gaskets, if you will, and these actually sit, I believe, on the sides of the partition to kind of seal it up against the B-pillar. But everything that you need, just a couple of specialty fasteners in here. You're going to have some riv nuts that you're going to use for attaching this to the B-pillar and kind of one of the cross members in the roof. There's no drilling for attaching this to the floor, so you don't have to worry about puncturing a fuel tank or hitting anything on the floor there. You are going to have to do some drilling on the B-pillar for these locations right here. And I believe up on the top, you have to do a little bit of maybe expanding existing holes to install it. We're actually going to be doing another video of installing this on the Savana behind us. So if you're looking for that, maybe it's already available. You can check that out if you're interested in how this is installed. A couple other things you're going to get here in the box. These are just some brackets that's going to assist you with the installation. I'll open these up quick. Our bracket here, we got some pre-threaded mounting locations up there. What else do we have going on in here? Like we have another one of these. This is all packaged nicely in foam and plastic wrap. Keep it tight together from shifting around in transit. We got another bracket here. Another bracket here. So we're gonna have 4 of these. I think these are for attaching the top. This is gonna be our lower bracket for attaching the floor. And again, I'll just open this up. So this is gonna be your floor bracket. Kind of matches the curvature of the partition. So you're gonna mount this to actually the cargo ring or the D-ring locations on the floor. You take those rings out, attach this to that, and then you attach the partition to this bracket. You can see they've got all sorts of geometric cutouts here to save on weight, so it's not super heavy. It's one of the benefits of the composite partition is it is a little bit lighter than if this was a full steel partition. So this is pretty much everything that you're gonna get here in the box. Again, there are various accessories that you can get for number 1, converting or punching out this window location and putting in kind of a glass window there. You're gonna have 5 locations that you can get little accessory mounts for putting in your holders and stuff like that. There is a location down here for like a dog hatch. So if you have extra long piece of lumber and you need to go into the cab a little bit, put a little dog hatch in here so you can slide and poke things through there. So everything that you need for a successful installation. Nice thing about the WeatherGuard is it does have a lifetime warranty valid for the original purchaser. So great warranty on this product, and just a great partition if you really want a secure and solid partition between you and your cargo. Now, if you're looking for this partition or any other equipment to get your van ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.